Hey everybody, I'm William with Sustain here, and I'm going to go over SV Strike, our all-new pin code, passcode breaking software. American made, American designed, everything is here, not sending any information off to China. So let's get right into it and kind of go over how easy it is. So, when you pull up the software, it's going to show you the different ports. So you'll pick the port that your phone is plugged into. Next is going to be really easy here. It's going to say, do you want to do an Android device or an Apple device? Today we have an Apple iPhone 5 on iOS 7 point something, just to show you the ease of it. So we're going to go with Apple. Next is going to be step 2, choose your attack method. It's going to be PIN, which is going to start at 0000 and go to 9999. Now, the next on the list is the passcode list, and that's going to allow you to be able to go over the most commonly used passcodes. Next is a PIN code and a combination list. So obviously, as it states, it's going to go over the list first, and then once it's done hitting the list, it's going to go through a 0000 all the way up to 999. Now the software is smart enough that it's not going to repeat pins for you. So we're going to go with the simple PIN, just 0000 all the way up until it finds it. Made the passcode pretty easy for you today, just 0007. Next is choose a camera option. So right now I've got it set for the camera over here, so we got it pictured there. Now, for all the departments out there, you're also going to have an optical sensor, so that'll be on there as well. That'll determine when everything's been captured and finalized. Next up, we got step 4. This is a really cool feature. It's going to basically allow you to set it and forget it. If you're connected to the internet, you click here, tell the carrier, and then you put in your phone number. So as soon as you're done, you're going to get a text message saying the PIN code's been broken. Or you can also do it through email. Alright guys, so next up, just as easy, you're going to hit start. But first, because this is an iPhone, we want to put it into unlimited PIN code attacks. So what we're going to do here is go emergency. Alright, and we're almost done for you, and alright, so now we're in unlimited pins. Gonna start the attack. So as you can see now, we're going through here and the phone is going through different PIN codes. The nice thing here is it's taking pictures. So right here is our list. Come in here and it's showing us all of the attacks that it's trying, and it's nice because it's showing you the actual PIN code as well. So forensically sound because you're going to have the PIN codes there to always resort back to, and it's saving it right in the SV Strike folder for you by date. So as you can see, we're up to 4, only got a few more to go. So from everything that you've seen, very easy to use. There it went. Just got into it here. Just got into unlock my phone. There's the picture showing it got unlocked. And then we come over here. It got done doing the attack, and it would have, I checked the button, that little error message is because I checked the button for an SMS and didn't put in a phone number, but we are done. That easy, folks. Now I'm going to just show you how quick it is and how easy it is to switch it up. I'm going to go into a Android device here, a Galaxy, so just unplug, plug the new phone in, make sure we're lined up in the camera. So now back here to the software. All we're going to do here is we're going to change it to Android, make sure, because not an Apple device, got it in Android, same PIN code, using the same camera. So we don't get that error, I'm going to actually take off the SMS because I don't need a picture or a message sent. I'm going to be sitting right here. Go over to the phone, make sure it's on, hit start, and we're going through. Alright folks, so we're going through sending these PIN codes in. Now with the Android phones, it's actually going to stop after a couple of attempts. Alright, it basically just now locked us out, and it's going to resume in 30 seconds. So the phone says 30 seconds, and on our software it's showing us that we're just going to wait 30 seconds before it starts the attack again. So With Androids, what it does with most operating systems is it runs through about 4 attempts, 5 attempts, then it says, all right, now you need to wait 30 seconds. And the software is adaptive, smart, so what it does is it knows that it has to wait 30 seconds. So that's what you can see on the screen here. We are waiting our 30 seconds for that to happen. And as soon as it does, it's going to get back up and going. And then what I'm going to do here is show you how it started taking new pictures here for this new phone. So here's all of the Android phones. Just took another one. And we're in now. So the picture's going to pop up here saying, there it is. It is in, and we are good to go. So folks, that's how easy it is to get into iPhones, Androids for PIN codes and passcode unlocking. All American made, all American design, SV Strike. Call us and we'll get you taken care of.